Yeah. Hi, this is Devesh from Secure Service Plus, and we are the authorized ESSL channel partner. So today we are going to talk on UFace 302 device. The device comes in this box like this, UFace 302 ID, and we have just unboxed this. So device has it comes with the box will come with this device plus the power adapter. So we have already connected with the power supply and all. And let's talk about the feature of UFace 302. So this device is a face recognition device, and when we talk about face, by default fingerprint, card, and password, everything is available with that. So the capacity about it, like it can store 10,000 of user registrations and 3,000 faces, 10,000 of cards, and 4,000 of fingers, as well as total transactions will be 1 lakh. Okay, so now in today's demo we are going to talk about the user registration with the specs and all, and then when we try to verify it, now the COVID-19 cases are going now, so we want to see with face with covering the mask how much the device can identify us, and what is the time it takes to recognize the face. Okay, so this device used for time attendance, as well as we can connect this device with a door for access control. So let's start with the demo. Yeah, so now we are going to talk about the registration part. So let's go here. We have user management, user role and all. So let's go to user management. Click on new user, and then you will have user ID, which can be your employee ID, name you can give, role you can define, like normal user, super admin and all. Then you have fingerprint, face. So now we are going to register with face. So click on this. So I am just going to register myself with specs, and you see a green box, rectangular box showing. So you need to put your eyes inside the green box. Eyes inside that.
Please raise your head.
And whatever voice commands are coming, we need to follow it.
Please lower your head. Thank you.
So now enrollment is done. So what we need to do, just come. We'll see that how quickly our face is getting recognized by the device. So just come over and you show your face.
Thank you.
So within 2 seconds, you will hear the our faces are getting recognized by the device. Now just a try we want to give. If I remove my spec, then what happens?
Thank you.
Yeah, still we are getting the same response. Okay, I'll just come over.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now one more thing we want to give a try. How does device recognizes when you put a mask? But you don't need to put a mask for full. Actually, just partially. Because once you put it full, then it will not recognize. Okay, we'll go with this. So when you put mask, so it takes little more time compared to the previous face, right, without mask. So because it's a new with mask, right, it takes little time more to identify. So let us cover this other part. I'm just trying to show you till what extent it can cover. So we have put almost mask properly. So now device is not able to identify. Okay. So it means it will work till this position, not more than that. Okay. So that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah, that it works. So about the other features we will be covering in another session. Thank you.